Hey everyone, here's Sushmita for all of you, welcoming you to Sushmita Mommy Chef, my channel which I have made with lots of passion so that my cooking, my recipes goes out to varied people and lots and huge number of people all around. So with these words, I'll start today's recipe. आज का रेसिपी जो है वो एक बहुत आसान सा डिश है. वो डिश का नाम है अगर मैं लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोलूँ तो उसको बोलते हैं आलू छुई बेसर भजा. मैंने क्या कहा? आलू छुई बेसर भजा. इफ़ आई से इट इन इंग्लिश तो एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ फ्राई made with potato and drumsticks using mustard paste. Okay, this is a fry which I'll make using potatoes and drumsticks, and the main ingredient which will be the heart of this dish, that will be the mustard paste. And for this particular dish I have made some prior arrangements. मैंने क्या किया है मैं बता देती हूँ आपको. मैंने पटेटोज़ लिए हैं 3 पटेटोज़, और उन 3 पटेटोज़ को मैंने ऐसे वेजेस में काट लिया है. सी यू हैव टू कट द पटेटोज़ लाइक दिस. ओके, इन वेजेस आई हैव टेकन 3 potatoes. I have taken 2 large drumsticks, and I have just put half a teaspoon of oil in the kadai, and I have fried these drumsticks by putting salt and turmeric powder. Okay, salt taste के हिसाब से and turmeric powder just 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, इसको देके मैंने इसको already थोड़ा सा सौते करके रखा है so that this dish becomes very quickly. Okay, then I have taken a very small onion and I have cut this onion into slices, and the main ingredient, as I said, is this. Okay, this has half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red dry chilies, and garlic. I have taken a whole small size garlic, and I have soaked all these things for around an hour now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these things and make a paste out of it. Okay, we will make a paste of this particular combination of सरसों, जीरा, लहसुन एंड मिर्च. ओके, इसका हम एक पेस्ट बनाएंगे, और जब तक हम इसका पेस्ट बना रहे हैं इन द मीनवाइल हम क्या करेंगे, मैंने जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं मैंने कढ़ाई लिया है और उसमें मैंने 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ ऑयल डाला है, और इसमें हम अभी हमारा पटेटोज को फ्राई करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले गरम ऑयल में हम डालने वाले हैं सरसों. ओके, सो आई विल बी पुटिंग जस्ट 1/4 teaspoon of sarso seeds and allow it to crackle. As it crackles, I'll put 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'll just allow my mustard seeds to crackle. Yes, so now I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I'll put this small onion that I have sliced. I'll make the flame sim. We'll saute this onion, and as you can see I have cut the potatoes and I have kept that in water. I have kept that in water so that the extra whatever the starch is there, that will get removed. So that is why always after cutting the potatoes, although you will peel the potatoes, wash the potatoes and then cut it, but still after cutting you should put the potatoes in clean water. Okay, now I am going to put these potatoes. As I said, for whatever dish you are making, the cutting style is very important. So for this particular dish, you have to cut these potatoes into wedges. Okay, and I'm going to just stir this. Now I'll put some salt as per taste. Be careful when you are putting the salt because drumstick में already हमने salt डाला है, and finally the drumstick also going to be added here. So accordingly you add the salt. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric. Okay, I'll stir this. Done. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll cover this and cook. I'll cover and cook this till our potatoes are cooked and soft. And in the meanwhile, I'll grind this paste, mustard paste. Okay, so let's check our potatoes. Okay, so it's almost done. You can see our potatoes are nicely fried. At this point of time, what I'll do is I'll add in the fried drumsticks. Okay, and I'll mix it. I'll cover this for some time. Okay, so that the salt in the drumstick and the salt in the potatoes, they all get blended with each other. अगर कोई किसी में कमी है तो वो एक दूसरे को बैलेंस कर दें. So I'll just for a few minutes I'll cover it, and as I said कि मैं वो mustard paste बना के लाऊंगी. So this is the mustard paste that we will finally put and cook for some time. And if you can see that I have not added red chili powder. I have not added red chili powder because in our paste that we have made, the mustard paste, we have the the red chili is there. Okay, 2 red chilies I have put. But if you eat spicier than that, then you can definitely put red chili powder in your potato fry. But I will not put it. It's totally optional. Okay, so we'll just wait for few minutes. Okay, so our potato and drumsticks are fried now. At this point of time, I will add around half a teaspoon of garam masala. So here goes half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is Shahi garam masala, and I'll give it a gentle mix. Okay, done. And now comes the major ingredient, that is this mustard paste. This is known as besara. This is known as besara in our language in Odia. This is a paste made of primarily mustard, garlic, cumin seeds and red chili powder. Dry red chili. Okay, so I'll give it a mix. So giving it a stir. Be careful and mix it very gently because your potatoes are already cooked. So gently mix it. Otherwise your potatoes will break. Okay, and now the kachapan, the rawness of this this mustard paste should go away. So that is why we will now cook it in the open for some time, and बीचों बीच we will stir it. तो ये तो अच्छे से फ्राई हो रहा है ओपनली. हम इसको बीच बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्के हाथों से चलाते रहेंगे बस और 1-2 मिनट में ये बन जाएगी। और जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स इसको ऐसे ही ओपनली कुक होने दीजिए। कवर करके भी कुक कर सकते हैं, लेकिन होगा ये कि आपका जो पटेटोज है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ओवर कुक हो जाएगा, तो इसीलिए तसल्ली के साथ स्टर करते करते इसको ओपन में ही कुक करिए। चलिए देख लेते हैं। हाँ, ये बन के बिल्कुल तैयार है। इसको एक हल्का सा स्टर करेंगे, बहुत जेंटली करिए, अदरवाइज योर पोटैटोज विल ब्रेक। ओके, ये बहुत अच्छी लगती है ये डिश, और इसमें जब वो मस्टर्ड का फ्लेवर आता है तो वो और गजब लगता है। If you like the flavor of mustard oil, you can make this particular dish with mustard oil also, but at present I have used just vegetable oil. So it's totally done now, और बस मैं इसको जल्दी से एक सर्विंग प्लेट पर अभी शिफ्ट कर देती हूँ, ट्रांसफ़र कर देती हूँ। और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें।